Guys, uWandile Ndlovu phela uyakhumbula ukuthi wafanele abuyele e-court for ukugwazwa kuka-uncle ngoba phela manje also we don't know the dynamics, so we don't know what happened on the day, who actually gwazed u-uncle. Ukuyibona leyo nto leyo, into u-uncle I'm sure usewangcwatshwa and all of that, no one. I'm just thinking yena noma okay vele they were not there and they're not saying anything about her mother, but ipurukutshile indaba ukuthi no, actually she did get bail. I'm just like, njani? Wow, in such a critical case, a critical phela le case le iyasabisa. I'm just like, how? Wow. But-ke uphumileke kanjalo ku-sisters, she was just nje going on socials ke esho ukuthi uyabonga nkosami inkosi yakhe, one day she will tell her story. Asilindile lelo langa bandla sisi, please, because kufanele ukuthi usitshele kahle ukuthi kunina nonke lapha endlini ubani owakwazi u-uncle wakho, umalume, Uncle Linda, ubani owamkwazi. We really would like to know that. I just think ukuthi it's only fair on us, just as much as abanye ke bese besho ukuthi hayi no abamthandayo ke vele ama-fans, like fans that really love her, they were just saying ukuthi nje no, si happy ukuthi uphumile. Oh my gosh, bese sikukhumbule ini. Yeah, rumor has it ke ukuthi i-lawyer emkhiphile le kaMethi, uyamkhumbula uMethi uDokotela Mbumbulu, who doesn't give up on life, who's always trying to be a doctor like almost every day. Yeah, lawyer ke brothers law was like trending at some stage on TikTok more especially. Yeah, kuthiwa hayi le lawyer bandla iyawenza umsebenzi wayo futhi ayinqini shame, iyayazi into eyenzayo. Kwaphuma kanjalo ke ke i-case kanjena ke kuthiwe okay ubofika uzo-reporter on Friday at such and such a time, okusho ukuthi awubalekile, don't try and run away and all of that. And manje akazi indaba yaseNigeria ngoba lo muntu phela besehlala eNigeria full time. We don't know all of that, guys. We also don't know what happened with the bail. What are the basically imithetho around the bail, uhlala endlini ungaphumi, kwenzakalani, can you really go out of the country, zonke lezo zinto ey'kanjalo. So we don't know all of that because yabona ukuthi i-information yakhona ivalelwe, akufunakala siyibone. But-ke then again I'm just like, you know what, kungcono ngoba uphumile eSun City, guys. It's not a nice place to stay for anyone, it doesn't matter ukuthi ubani. So ngizoye ngima lapho kancane ngiyayelo indaba kalo sisi lo. Bese kuzoba khona uBig Nanzi, I'm sure niyamazi uyi-YouTuber. Akakhala usisters angithi wayekade esebenza ngathi wawuyeka umsebenzi, so uyakhala ukhalela ama-viewers akhe ke aku-YouTube channel yakhe, obviously. I mean ukuthi guys anwabuke ama-ads ami ku-YouTube, I'm not doing well. I guess at the end of the day mhlawumbe useyayisola, but guys lalelani, I was just telling someone yesterday ukuthi, you know what, YouTube is actually hard. I was just like looking at another guy that I know wenza the same as me, like around Senzo me on my other channel, what's the tea, Siyahlazia. Ngibona ukuthi hayibo lo muntu lo una 114,000 subscribers, right? But sometimes uphelela ku 20,000, uzohlala 20,000 for 2 weeks, and then mina the other futhi ngoba the other, mina I'm on 3,500 since yesterday. I'm actually on 3,504 now. My subscribers, my subbies. But I realized ukuthi hayibo yebo abantu bebe complain for the past 2 weeks ukuthi yazini awekho ama views, what's going on with YouTube, kuyibona leyo nto leyo. So ngibuke ngithole ngihleli nje ku 245, and then ngizama ukucompare nayo ukuthi okay 20,000 and 114,000, you are stuck here on 22,000 22,000 views our movie. So Big Nanzi, I'm like, usukhala sis, inzima le life le. I was just telling someone who doesn't know anything about YouTube yesterday, ngithi listen, ungabona umuntu ku YouTube ethi angikhala 40,000, ilalela, there's a lot of work here in doing these videos. Akona umdlalo of some sort nje ngathi we playing some childish games here. Yo, it's crazy, it's not an easy thing. Days uba proud kodwa nkosami kanti hayi mina nginga watholi ama-views ngenzeni kuba, and it's not because ngabheda ama-video akho or kwenzakalani. Lalela, someone was even saying about the videos overseas, some growth channel ekhuluma nje nge-growth, esho ukuthi lalela khona abantu abanga-edit noku-editha kodwa umuntu it's a seasonal thing. Some months they do well, really well, and uthi uma uyibuka ivideo yakhona sometimes bebheke phansi, ubuso ubheke phansi, but you just like ngiyayifuna le video, ngifuna ukuyibuka. Some months uya ba right, some months naye akabi right, aka-edit noku-editha, akazi nokuthi yini uku-editha, but uyathatha afaka ama-video akhe ku-YouTube. So guys, it has nothing to do with anything. uBig Nanzi, I was just like I get you, girl. I understand you. Guys, she was literally crying like a color. So you're going to YouTube in the Mina, you know when I cried? When they demonetized me last year, April, and then they started paying me only now in March for what's the TC ahlazi lalela guys kunzima ubilukaluka ana akekho noyone umuntu osengamuzwe ukuthi wademonetize ongakhalanga zizayiphumela inyembezi. You don't even have to apply for them. Zivele zizahlele. Life is not easy, guys. Around YouTube, I mean, life is not really rosy. We go through some stuff with YouTube. We're just like, oh my gosh, why me? Like, and what frustrated Big Nads the most, right, guys, is ukuthi yebo bayabuka ama-video akhe maybe until the end ama-subbies wakhe, but the problem is that ababukeli ama-ads. Guys, everyone goes through that ma uyi-YouTuber. Ngeke uze uthi wena, oh my gosh, mina nje I'm just doing so well, oh my word. No, ababaningi who are actually doing well bayakhala abantu. Iyabona nje ubumbone ekhala kanje kuyabheda bona between the 7th and the 12th YouTube bayavala. From on the 13th in the morning bayatshela ukuthi nansi imali yakho uzoyithola on the 25th of August. This is what you're getting paid. It's hard this week. You must just know YouTube. Vele ungazazi ilahlele phansi. Ngize ngathi usisters azakhale kangaka Nkosi yami usho ukuthi mhlambe nama-brands akanawo, because let's say maybe one brand was paying a so and so brand esingesi mention egama maybe was paying a 40,000 here, and then another brand was paying a 30,000 here, and then another one was paying 20,000. Bengazakhale kanje, which means she has no brands like some of us. We understand, because most of us like me, I do news. My lifestyle channel is not on 1,000 yet, you know. Subscribers, because you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Angakafiki nokufika lapho kodwa lo channel ngicela utshela ukuthi na 4 years in on the 15th of November. It's gonna be 4 years, but I'm pushing ukuthi by the time fika leso sikhathi ibisimtholile ngoba it's on 700 now. So 300 I can make maybe in the next 3 months from today. I've been working on that. Actually, it's doing so much better, the channel now. It took longer, my lifestyle one. Oh my gosh. So we don't have brands, guys. Slunde and AdSense. So I get where she's coming from here now with her lifestyle channel being a boogie ama ads. She's frustrated like most of us. Gonna go kolula, guys. That's all I can tell you. It's not easy. Yeah. Guys, celebrity and YouTubers. Thank you so much, guys, for actually loving this new channel yami Uguningia Mzansi. It's actually doing well, this channel, for a new channel, just as much as it's sitting at 48 subscribers. I'm not in a hurry. Yeah, but also my news channel, they jump fast. By like October, this channel should be fine. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me in Over.